Today I'm going to show you the easiest, the best, the most simple, and the most delicious banana bread recipe there is. I know you guys have been seeing everyone make banana bread online, but I figured let me share my recipe because I guarantee you're gonna love it. So step number one is obviously grab your banana. You wanna look for a banana that's maybe a little turning, like getting there. It's a little more sweet, it's a little better texture, and that's what you want. So here's what you do. You peel the banana. Alright. I'm telling you, this is going to be the easiest thing ever. Okay, next thing you do is just cut a few slices. I'd say cut, just go down, chop, very easy. Great, that's good there. And now, here's the secret. You grab your bread. Get like a real soft bread is really nice. I grabbed a butter bread. And then you just place your bananas like so, right onto it. And top it, squish together, banana bread. Oh. Wait, I seem to have fucked up this recipe. Wait. Oh, I know what he did. Sorry. I am so stupid. Banana bread. What was I thinking? You take out your peanut butter. Hell yeah. We add, spread the peanut butter on that other side. There we go. Okay. I was so stupid. And now we have banana bread. Wow. All joking aside, actually, this was the breakfast that I ate almost every single day when I worked on TV and I was on the road. Because we'd be staying at like the shittiest hotels ever. And they really like didn't have, even like their continental breakfast was barely anything. And I didn't really want to eat poorly. But I kind of always knew they would have toast, they'd have peanut butter, and they would have banana. And just like a nice protein start to the day. So this banana bread does actually have a special place in my heart. Okay, guys, let me know below in the comments what you think about my banana bread recipe. If you're gonna make it, make sure you tag me on stories, tag me in the posts, and yeah, it's a good one.